Discover the rejuvenating power of coffee with a simple, homemade facial mask designed to help remove pigmentation, spots, melasma, blackheads, and dead cells. Coffee is not just a beloved morning beverage. Its high antioxidant content makes it a fantastic ingredient for skincare, helping to refresh and brighten your complexion. Here's how to create a nourishing coffee mask at home that can help improve your skin's appearance, leaving it feeling smooth and revitalized. Before we continue to the next part of video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you can get more health-related information through our videos. Benefits of coffee for skin. Coffee is rich in antioxidants, which combat the effects of free radicals that cause premature aging and dull skin. The caffeine content in coffee also helps tighten the skin, reducing the appearance of pores and giving your face a more youthful glow. Additionally, the coarse texture of ground coffee makes it an excellent natural exfoliant, ideal for removing dead skin cells and unclogging pores. Ingredients for your coffee mask: 2 tablespoons of finely ground coffee, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of honey. How to prepare and apply your coffee mask. Mix the ingredients in a small bowl. Combine the ground coffee and cocoa powder. Add the milk and honey, and stir until you create a paste. If the mixture seems too thick, add a little more milk until you reach a smooth, spreadable consistency. Clean your face. Before applying the mask, ensure your face is clean and free of any makeup. Washing your face with warm water first can help open up the pores, making the mask even more effective. Apply the mask. Using your fingers or a clean makeup brush, apply the mask evenly over your face, avoiding the eye area. If you have any pigmentation spots or areas with blackheads, you might want to apply a slightly thicker layer on these zones. Let it set. Allow the mask to dry for about 15–20 minutes. As the mask dries, you'll feel your skin tighten slightly. Rinse off. Wash the mask off with lukewarm water, gently massaging your face as you remove the mask to take full advantage of the exfoliating properties of the coffee grounds. Moisturize. After patting your face dry, follow up with a moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated and soft. Using this coffee mask once or twice a week can help maintain your skin's freshness and smoothness. Remember, regular use over time is key to seeing a reduction in pigmentation and spots. Always apply sunscreen during the day, as exfoliating can make your skin more sensitive to sunlight. Conclusion: this homemade coffee mask offers a delightful, effective way to enhance your skin's health naturally. It's quick to prepare, enjoyable to use, and packed with ingredients known for their beneficial properties. Treat yourself to this pampering experience and enjoy the look and feel of clearer, more radiant skin.